Hello, my friends. Nick here with freedomlifebusiness.com, hoping you are having a super awesome day. Today, I'd like to share a bit of wisdom I acquired earlier today about the importance of having a vision and not letting others discourage you from achieving it. It's very easy to get discouraged when you have a dream, but few share your enthusiasm. But that's what makes it so special, unique, and potentially successful. It sets you apart from the crowd and gives you the power to stay focused on achieving great things and ultimately make your dreams come true. So sometimes, especially when we're younger, we can find ourselves in situations where others are not supportive of our vision or ambitions. They may try to talk us out of pursuing our dreams and visions based on what they don't see and envisioning as the same potential and goals that we do. But it's important to remember that our vision and mindset isn't based on other people's assessment. As long as you believe in your own self and your vision, that alone should be enough fuel to keep going and turn your ambition and passion into reality. Remember, the size of our dreams should never be determined by anyone else's limiting ideas. The journey can often be difficult and filled with challenges, as they always will. But the rewards for pursuing our envisioned dreams will usually make it all worthwhile. We must stay true to our own journey, even if it means we are going at it alone. No one can ever change your own definition of success, as we are each unique, so don't let anyone shape your objectives. Everyone has different visions and ambitions, and that's okay. Keep forging ahead and continue believing in yourself and your dream, and you will eventually find the success you are looking for. Thought, dedication, passion, determination, and hard work. Anything is possible. So don't ever forget, if you have a dream, don't let anyone steal it. And an old saying goes, don't let anyone steal your dreams, and the biggest dream stealer of them all is the one that you look at in the mirror. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I truly appreciate it, and I hope this has helped you to stay true to your ambitions and goals. Keep chasing after your dreams no matter what everyone else says, and I am sure you will achieve great things. If you want to see what we do online and are open-minded, take a look at my website above here, freedomlifebusiness.com. Always make it a great day. Remember to always go for your dreams and stay focused, positive, and healthy, my friends. God bless, and bye for now.